everyone, welcome back. Today I have an Hermes unboxing to share with you. This is a bag and it was one that I was able to get on the Canadian website. So that was pretty exciting because it's, as you know, really difficult to get bags on the website. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing. This is just the receipt. So this is a style that I actually already own and love. So this is just return policy and everything, and then the care booklet. And this is a true unboxing. This just arrived and I wanted to do a true unboxing for you guys. Okay, so here is the dust bag. I've never seen this bag in this color in person before. Ooh, you can see the color. All right, here it is. It is the Della Cavalleria in Mauve Sylvester Epsom leather with palladium hardware. So I have this bag in gold. I was also able to get that on the website back in, I think it was back in October, and I love it. That one has gold hardware. This one, like I said, has palladium. And yeah, I do not have any bags in Mauve Sylvester. I have one in Mauve Pale, my mini Lindy. I'm just going to show you that for comparison. Okay, yeah, the color is really pretty. I wasn't sure about the color in this style, but it looks really great, really pretty. Okay, so you can see there's a big difference between Mauve Sylvester and Mauve Pale. The Mauve Pale is obviously a lot more pale. Yeah, so I'm just going to make this a quick unboxing because I don't have a lot of time, but I just wanted to share this website find with all of you. And the strap is adjustable. There are 3 different settings. I will buckle that later. It's got a protective cover on it right now. Yeah, the color is really pretty. I was like, I really wanted another pink bag that's like, you know, a different pink from the Mauve Pale. And I really want a Rose Sakura bag at some point, but this is really pretty too. Yeah, I like it a lot. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Like I said, I need to make this a really quick video. I will share though that the price went up by $900 since I purchased the gold one in October. So this was $900 more than the one than what I paid for the one in October. So the price increase was huge. That being said, I did feel like this bag was kind of priced lower than other similar Hermes bags. So maybe they're just trying to level it out, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, it was, yeah, I was a little shocked to see the price, but I still jumped on it because, yeah, the color just looked really, really pretty. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.